So here you have a kind of a central square. Wishing everybody all the best for 2024. Well, also from my part, of course. A good afternoon. I'm here in the area of the Suvarnabhumi Airport, and today I'm going to show you the Siam Premium outlets. And this is an outlet mall that was constructed here in the outskirts of Bangkok. This is not very close to the city center, and here you can find very good deals on different premium brands. There are a total of 145 shops in here, and it's not easy to reach. It's about 45 minutes drive from the city center. There is a shuttle bus that goes from the Siam Paragon. Why from the Siam Paragon? Because this is a project from Siam Paragon, which is the developer that created Siam Paragon, Icon Siam. As you can see, not a lot of people here. It's on a Saturday. Yeah, so I will just do a walk around, show you what kind of shops there are. I'm a big fan of Nike, so a little bit later I'm gonna see if I can get a good deal on a pair of shoes. If you're coming to Suvarnabhumi Airport, it's actually quite easy to get here. It's only a 10-minute ride, but from the city center it's a bit further. There are 6 daily buses. There's quite a nice breeze actually coming through the buildings, but the moment you are walking in the sun, it's very hot. So here you have the schedule of the shuttle buses, and you can depart from Siam Paragon at 10, 11, 1, 2, 4 or 5. Or if you want to go back, it's at 11:30, 12:30, 2:30, 3:30, 8 and 9:30. Here in the far end you have an Oasis eatery, which is actually a food court. So let's have a quick look there as well. So the food court is open daily from 10 in the morning to 9 in the evening. Here in the food court you can find all kinds of local delicacies. Sawadee-krap. Here you have a relaxed area where you can even get a massage. $100. Okay. Here you have the cashier where you can buy your card. Sawadee-krap. So let's go back to the market again. So I don't really know what a good deal is, but I do know how much in general my Nike products cost. So let's have a look in the Nike store, and then I can let you know exactly if these are good deals or not. 2 for entire purchase, 30% off. 3, 40% off. That sounds quite interesting. So let me check out the shoes. So these are the type of shoes that I like, and they are normally 2,700 and now it's 2,190, and that is actually correct. That is cheaper, and just for example this one's from 2,100 for 1,490. So yeah, this is a better price than in the city. I like the art that they used here. And it's a bit like a centipede, right? So all the major brands are represented, as you can see here: Balenciaga, Burberry, Versace, Boss. And everywhere there is stuff on sale, and basically they are selling last year's collection. But it's a brilliant way to save a bit of money. Here at the side entrance you have the information center, and right here around the corner behind the information center you have the indoor playground. So if you come here with your kids, you can bring them here and go shopping. And there's also a 7-Eleven, so if you are in need for water or some snacks, you can go there as well. So here you have a kind of a central square. This is a piggy bank, but then collecting plastics. And then here, wishing everybody all the best for 2024. Well, also from my part, of course. Yeah, so I will end my video here at the central part of this outlet mall. Is the Siam Premium Outlets worth a visit? I would say yeah, if you're up for a bargain, I would say come and have a look here. Otherwise, it's quite far from the city center. If you really want to see Bangkok, then skip this place. It's still a 45 minutes drive. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. I see you guys in my next video.